Good evening, sir.
Thank you for your time as always. We have a short release to you.
We are not hearing you, sir.
I'll start again. Good evening, gentlemen of the press. Thank you for your time as always. And we have a short statement to read to you. We have a pre-caucus meeting between the Governors Forum and the NWC. Arising from that meeting, we have a short statement we need you to communicate to the world for us. And it reads thus: the issue of River State Caretaker Committee. This was raised at the meeting of PDP governors and the PDP National Working Committee. And it was resolved that a political solution should be applied to resolve all the issues related thereto. Consequently, the PDP Governors Forum directed that the National Working Committee of the PDP revisit the issue of the River State Caretaker Committee list. I thank you very much for your time and for listening. Thank you.
So you don't mind me having... What is it? Good afternoon, good evening, sir. Fine, thank you. Bia misari cheuzo.
Madam. Hello.
But I was asked to take a screenshot. I was, madam.
It's okay, now do and go. They never come back.
No